Chanel.
Good morning, Mom. Welcome to Sunny Days Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hello, good morning. I have a reservation today until 2nd day of October under my name Zara Morales.
Okay, Mom. Do you have your booking confirmation?
Yes.
Can I see it, Mom? Okay, Mom. And also, can I request your identification card and your debit card?
Sure.
Thank you. Please give me a minute as I check in our system your reservation. Upon checking in our system, there is a confirmed booking reservation under the name of Miss Zara Morales. You reserve a diplomatic suite lounge access, a non-smoking room with one queen-size bed and single bed for 2 nights from today until 2nd day of October 2025. Are all this information correct, Mom?
Yes, that is exactly what I do.
Okay, Mom. While I prepare for the reset, can we sign this registration form?
Yes, sure.
And also double check all the information written in here, Mom. Alright, thank you, Ms. Zara. So, this is your valid ID. I'll get you all checked in your room, so here is your key card.
Thank you. Can I ask what time is the breakfast?
The breakfast will be available from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you for that information.
Alright, please wait a moment. I'll call the bell service. Bell service, please. Have a nice day, Miss Zara, and we hope you will enjoy your stay with us. Please don't hesitate to call us if you need any further assistance.
Okay, thank you very much. See you around.
Yes, see you around, Mom.
Allow me to take that for you. This key to your room now. You will be ready for you, Mom.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.